How to activate Google Play services. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Now first of all, open up settings in your mobile device and from here tap on apps. Tap on see all apps and in the search bar at the top right corner, search for Google Play services. Then tap on Google Play services. After that, if this application or Google Play services is deactivated in your mobile device, then you won't be able to use any of this button as disabled and forced up. And if that's your case, then what you have to do is go back and go back once again and go back and in the search bar search for device admin page. Now go to device admin apps and then from here tap on node admin apps, and if you have turned on this toggle in your device you have to turn off, as this toggle is turned off in my device. But if you have turned on the toggle, you have to turn off that. And once you have turned it off, now if you go back and check your Google Play services from the apps, there you will see that the Google Play services has already been activated in your mobile device. So this is the way to activate Google Play services if the application is deactivated in your mobile device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.